Hi, beautiful people. How are you guys doing? Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining. Thank you for liking. Thank you for sharing. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for being a member of this channel. And today, on this very day, trust me, I felt so weak after cooking two pot of soup in my canteen. I made oha and bitterleaf soup with peppered meat. Then that day I just decided, oh, my body is weak and tired. I just need to stretch off my body. On getting back home, I started this my mini exercises of stretching my body, preparing myself for labor, trying to make sure I am strong before the D-Day, before my EED. It's not easy, guys, on this journey, trust me. This is the third time I'm going on this journey. God help me. God save me. God deliver me. God grant my wishes this period. And also grant the wishes of every expectant mother, every expectant woman, every woman who have been desiring to be in this position, be in this level. May God grant your wish and grant you your heart desires as you continue to expect. Trust me, just believe, have hope, trust in God, and trust me, it will be all right. Everything will fall in place on a very good day. So this is me stretching my body because that day I said, no, this is not you. Oh, your kitchen, this isn't you. Your body that used to be banger, that used to be a banger. No, this is body is not banging again. The body is not stretching. The body is weak. So I now said, no, I can't remain one place. I need to do this. I started this mini exercises by stretching my legs, stretching. In fact, I decided to stretch all parts of my body by making sure I do something meaningful to it. And at the end of the day, trust me, I felt so relief and my body felt light. And the heat came out shows that I've actually worked out for myself. Guys, stay tuned, watch to the end, and please, as you're watching, please don't skip the adverts as you're passing by adverts. Please allow the advert to play, and that is how we you help to support our channel to grow. Please don't skip the advert, and please don't forget to keep or to drop a positive comment on the comment section. And again, don't forget to like, share, and if it's your first time in my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe, and God will bless you as you continue to support this small channel till we grow till other bigger creators. God bless you, remain blessed, and watch us. And to every mothers who are in the same position trying to do what I'm doing, please don't just do this. Make sure you get direction from your doctor, from your hospital before you do what I'm doing. Remember, the body is different, the strength is different, the body system works in different forms. So please don't do everything I'm doing on your own. Make sure you consult your doctor before you embark on this journey. God bless you as you watch to the end of this video. Remain blessed and remain blessed. Bye for now. Hey guys, and this comes to the end of my exercise for today, and I decided to end it with this music, Eze Yo Yo. You guys will not understand how I felt dancing this song. I don't want to put it up here because of copyright sake. So I'm dancing as a yo-yo. Jesus, omekiji bureze. Jesus, Jesus, That's what I'm actually dancing here. You guys can see. I'm actually enjoying myself. It is not easy. This journey, trust me, if you go on this journey and you come out successfully, you got to dance this song over and over again because it was only Jesus that can do it. It is not easy. And my prayer for every woman who have been expecting this, who is an expectant, or who hasn't gotten to this level, I pray that the good God, as you are watching this video and claiming it, that God will do your own in triple, in double, and more than you can expect. God bless you all, and don't forget to like, don't forget to share, and don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time in my channel. Remain blessed, remain blessed. We love you. Jesus, yeah, omeki jibureze. Yo, 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 ezebube, oh, oh, oh. Hey, yeah, you can imagine. Easy. Have a good day. Have a wonderful day, my people, my people. I love you too all, my Oyoyo Kitchen family. God bless you. Stay, remain blessed, remain blessed, remain blessed. Bye for now. Jesus, yeah, o make it